Well, it has been a long session. 2 days full of crazy stuff. I was laughing because this last one was hilarious. I love this stuff. I'm not going to ask you who tried to hack my PC the first night I was here connected to the hotel Wi-Fi. What I would like to do in these few minutes, since everybody is tired and it's time to party now, is to give you just a couple of information. Even if I didn't want to do it, some people asked me about the vulnerability research platform in these 2 days, and I decided to show you a couple of screenshots so that you can get a better idea of what it is. It's very simple. After you create your own account and your encryption keys, you can log in anonymously and you can start submitting stuff following a format which is very simple. So you can input, of course, you can give some general information about the submission you are making. You can set you don't see it. Is there a way to, let me see. That's funny. I thought you were seeing it. Yep. So, yeah. Right. So you see, after you log in, there is a very simple registration process. Everything is end-to-end encrypted, so all the keys are generated in your own browser, and you will add a passphrase to it, so which you know, nobody else knows, hopefully. And then you start inputting your submission following these workflows, very simple forms. And on the other end, someone from our staff will receive an alert that a new submission has been made and will start interact with you, asking questions, looking if there's something that needs to be clarified or to be expressed in a better way. Why are we doing this? Because as it is now, we receive submissions in every possible way and in a very messy way. So I might have a part of it on my WhatsApp, which is a very bad thing to do, another piece of it in an encrypted email, another piece of it on a Signal message, and then maybe I receive a pigeon with a message attached, and it sucks. I mean, the management of this kind of things in this way is unsustainable. So we decided to release to the public what we use internally to make some sense in all this mess. So you see, for each exploit, effectiveness, known limitations, reliability, they're always the same old stuff. I mean, if you are ever seen a exploit submission, you know that it is made like this, but this is a way to have everything in one place to discuss it. And if it's a chain, you can create all the steps and describe each exploit separately. And then someone will come up and chat with you and start talking about it. So why we do this? Because after this process, we press a button and we generate a data sheet of the chain or of the single exploit, which is digitally signed both by the researcher and by us, and gets attached to the contract, so that everybody knows what we are talking about, exactly how it should work, what it is, what's the reliability of it, and so on and so on. Which nowadays never happens. Almost never happens. There are no contracts usually, which is bad because until this point we haven't seen the code. what happens is that we say, okay, we want to buy this, and we receive something that has nothing to do with what we've been discussing with the guy until that point. It's very time consuming, and customers get upset because of this. So, it will be open to the public in the next days. We are still fixing a couple of things. I don't know why the text went down, but I can change it on the fly. So if you want to join the VRP, we will send a tweet when it's time. You can send us an email if you want. You can find our public key on our website, and we will send you an invitation. We will anyway say when it's publicly open via Twitter. And the first who will submit code to the VRP will receive VIP passes for Hack in the Box to buy. We just made this deal with the guys from the organization. I don't know yet if we will be able also to provide the plane tickets. I'm not sure. We will see. But for sure, we will provide VIP passes for the conference. Just as a final gift to the community. So, I don't want to take more time. I will have, unfortunately, to leave tonight, so I won't be able to be at the final party. Sadly, I'm crying, I know. Aww. Yes, it's a sad, sad thing, but I have kids which would like to see me tomorrow. So they prevailed in my decisions. But if you want to talk with me before I leave, I will leave in probably 40 minutes. I'm here, I'm available. Have fun, enjoy the final party, and see you in Dubai. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Andrea, both for your closing words and for your you and your company's sponsorship of this COMMSEC track.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.